At 7:45 p.m. the National Weather Service has detected a severe thunderstorm 25 miles southwest of Oklahoma City, in the downtown area, that is capable of producing tornadoes. Take shelter in your storm shelter basement, or the most center part of your house. This is a dangerous situation.
Please stand by for a message of the Mayor of Oklahoma City.
My fellow Oklahomans, this is a sad day for human history. The tornado that hit downtown Oklahoma City, the Oklahoma City Hospital has reported 500 deaths and so many injuries. To count, if you would, we have opened a donation line. The number is 1-800-569-7697. Any money will be accepted. The damage report total is over trillions. That is all, and God bless.